Good afternoon, grade 7. Our lessons are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. So now let's discuss about addition of integers. If the integers have the same sign, just add the positive equivalents of the integers and attach the common sign to the result. Let's have examples. 5 plus 4. So since they are both positive, the result will be also positive. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, we have 3 plus 5. So same, we have 8. Next one, we have negative 23 plus negative 17. So they are both negative. That's why the result will be negative. And 23 plus 17 is equal to 40. Next, we have negative 30 plus negative 17. So like for the example of number 3, we will have negative as a result. And 30 plus 17 will be 47. If the integers have different signs, get the difference of the positive equivalents of the integers and attach the sign of the larger number to the result. So examples, we have 10 plus negative 4. So they are different sign. So that's why we will subtract them. And 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So the sign of the larger number will be the sign of the result. So since ang pinakamalaking number dito is 10 and siya ay positive, that's why the result will be positive. Next, we have 6 plus negative 6. So subtract them. 6 minus 6 will be 0. And negative 5 plus 4. So subtract ulit. 5 minus 4 is 1. And ang sign na may pinakamalaking number ay negative. Kaya negative ang magiging result. Next, we have negative 30 plus 17. So 30 minus 17 is equal to 13. But the sign of the larger number is negative. That's why the answer will be negative 13. So, for the lesson addition of integer, answer the following. Accuracy, page 45. Next, let's proceed to subtraction of integers. In subtracting one integer from another, add the negative of the subtrahend to the minuend. So here is the minuend, yung first, and the subtrahend, yung second. And the answer for those is what we call the difference. And here is the number line wherein the center is the 0 and all the numbers going to the left are the negative numbers and numbers going to the right are the positive numbers. So, examples, we have 11 minus 9. So, since mas malaki naman si 11, magtanggal lang tayo ng 9, we will have 2. And next, 16 minus 20. So, since mas maliit si 16, ang magiging result niya natin ay magiging negative. Dahil, ang sign nito ay negative. And 20 minus 16 is 4. Next, we have negative 23 minus negative 17. So, kapag subtraction of negative, magiging positive. Kasi, negative tapos negative. Negative times negative will be positive. Next, magiging negative 23 na yan plus 17. So, since different sign, subtract natin. 23 minus 17 will be 6. And ang sign na may pinakamalaking number ay negative. Next, 18 minus negative 10. So, again, ito, negative times negative will be positive. And 18 plus 10 will be 28. Next, for the lesson of subtraction of integers, answer the following. Accuracy A, pages 49 and 50. Next, we have multiplication of integers. Multiplying numbers with unlike sign or different sign. Suppose that A or B, but not both, is a negative number. That is, A and B have unlike signs. And the repeated addition interpretation shows that the product will be negative. So kapag unlike sign, the result will be negative. Example, we have 4 times negative 5. So since different sign, the result will be negative, and 4 times 5 will be 20. That's why the answer is negative 20. Next, 6 times negative 4, since different sign, negative ulit ang sagot, and 6 times 4 will be 24. The answer will be negative 24. Next, 5 times negative 12. So different sign, kaya ang result ay negative. And 5 times 12 will be 60. That's why the final answer will be negative 60. Next, 4 times negative 7. So negative ulit ang sagot. And 4 times 7 will be 28. That's why the answer will be negative 28. Next, multiplying two positive numbers. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. And 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Next, 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Next, 8 times 10 is equal to 80. So, kung papansin niyo, since both are positive, positive din ang result. How about multiplying two negative numbers? Negative 4 times negative 5. In multiplication, kapag same sign, ang laging sagot ay positive. So, since dito, both are negative, so the answer will be positive. And 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Next, negative 2 times negative 7 will be 14. And since pareho ang sign, kaya positive ang sagot. Negative 6 times negative 9 is equal to positive 54. So, kahit pareho ng positive, pareho ng negative, still positive pa rin ang sagot. And negative 12 times negative 6 will be positive 72. Next, when an indicated product consists of more than two factors, then the product is found by multiplying the first two factors. Then to this product, the third factor is multiplied, and so on, until each factor has been multiplied. So, kagaya nito, 5 times negative 4 times 7 times negative 3. So, unahin muna natin itong first 2. So, 5 times negative 4 will be negative 20 since different sign. And copy 7 times negative 3. Next, dito na tayo. Negative 20 times 7 since different sign, negative ulit ang sagot. And 20 times 7 is equal to 140. Then times negative 3. So, since dito, pareho na sila ng negative, kaya magiging positive na ang sagot. And to solve 140 times 3 will be 3 times 0 is equal to 0. And 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Carry 1. And 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Plus 1 is equal to 4. So, the answer will be 420. Next, negative 4 times 3 times negative 5 times negative 10. So first, negative 4 times 3 will be negative 12. And times negative 5, copy, then negative 10. Then negative 12 times negative 5 will be positive 60. And times negative 10. So 60 times negative 10 will be negative 600. So for this lesson, answer the following. Accuracy, pages 57 and 58. Next, division of integer. Dividing one integer by another of the same sign will yield a quotient positive. Examples. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. And 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Next, negative 12 divided by 4 is equal to, or negative 12 divided by negative 4 is equal to positive 3. Bakit siya positive? Kasi both are negative. So, kapag pareho ang sign, positive pa rin na sagot. And negative 20 divided by negative 5 is equal to positive 4. Next, when dividing one number by another of the opposite sign, the result is always negative. So, kagaya siya sa multiplication, kapag magkaiba ang sign, ang laging sagot ay negative. Example, we have negative 15 divided by 3. So, the answer will be negative 5. Negative 36 divided by 2 is equal to negative 18. Next, 12 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 3. Next, 20 divided by negative 5 is equal to negative 4. And for this lesson, answer accuracy, pages 63 and 64. So remember, let all that you do be done with love, from the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 14. So that's all for this day. Thank you and God bless.